In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an average line in Power BI column chart. If you've ever wanted to quickly show a benchmark or highlight the typical value across your bars, an average line is a clean, built-in way to do it. It gives your audience immediate context, helping them see which categories are above or below the overall mean without any extra math on their part. Start by clicking on the column chart you want to enhance. It's important that the chart is actively selected, because the options we're about to use only appear for the visual you've clicked. You'll know it's selected when you see the handles around the chart, and the options in the Visualizations pane reflect that specific visual. Next, move to the Visualizations pane and click the third icon tab at the top. This is the Analytics area for your chart, where you can add helpful reference elements such as trend lines and, in our case, an average line. If you don't immediately see the Analytics options, double-check that your column chart is selected. Within that Analytics section, look for the Average Line card. Expand it, and then choose Add Line. As soon as you add it, Power BI calculates the mean based on your data and draws a horizontal line across the columns. This line sits directly on the visual, so viewers can instantly compare each bar against that average value. Now, give the average line a clear, descriptive name. A label like Overall Average or Sales Average makes the visual easier to understand, especially when presenting to others. If your chart includes multiple series, select which series you want the line to average. This is crucial when your column chart shows grouped or clustered categories. You can target a specific series so the line reflects that series mean, rather than averaging across everything unintentionally. If you only have one series, Power BI typically selects it by default. At this point, your average line is active and visible. You can leave it as is for a clean, minimal look. If you'd like, you can refine the label and appearance so the line stands out clearly against the bars, but the essential setup is complete. The key is to keep the label readable and consistent with the rest of your report design, so your audience immediately understands what the line represents. And there you go. That's all it takes to add an average line to a Power BI column chart. It's a small addition that delivers big clarity, and it helps your report viewers interpret your data at a glance.